Do you suffer or know someone who suffers from receding gums? When the gums are receded, the tooth's root gets exposed and, besides causing the patient a lot of pain because of sensitivity, it can also compromise the aesthetic of your smile. Gum recession is a slow process, but if the patient notices any kind of alteration in the tissues and immediately seeks a dentist, the case can be reversed without any harm to the body. According to Ayurveda, teeth are a byproduct of bones, and neem and licorice stems can be chewed on or used as toothbrushes. Did you know that? Tooth cavities and receding gums can indicate a deficiency of calcium, magnesium, and zinc. If you suffer from one of these issues and want to avoid them, chew a handful of black sesame, rich in calcium, every morning. Then, brush your teeth without using toothpaste to rub the remains of the seeds in your teeth, polishing and cleaning them. To avoid receding gums, teeth infections, and cavities, you can choose between massaging your gums daily with sesame oil or using triphala powder mixed with sesame oil. But, do you know why triphala is good? Triphala is a combination of 3 fruits, harada, amla, and barada, that has been used for thousands of years by Ayurvedic phytotherapy. It helps clean the digestive system, all because of the active ingredients, derived from the 3 fruits. Triphala has antioxidants that can help with receding gums, while sesame oil nourishes the bone tissues. If you choose this method, fill your mouth with sesame oil and triphala. Swish it around your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes and then spit it out. After that, gently massage your gums, especially around affected areas. Other than that, correctly chewing your food stimulates the gums and helps keep them healthy. According to studies, it is believed that eating 4 figs a day can also strengthen teeth and gums. Try any of these recipes and share your experience with us. If you liked this video, share it with your friends. If you would like to see more remedies like this one, subscribe to our channel. We love giving you healthy, helpful and natural remedies.